partnerships do and don'ts. How do you build a great partnership for your program? Or maybe you're a business that is going to participate in another company's partnership program. What are some of the do's and not do's to ensure that you succeed in a partnership arrangement? Today, we're going to talk about that. Let's go.
Take effing action. Put it together. And subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
So partnership is a great way to make money. For example, my company has multiple products and services that we would like other companies to sell for us. And that is the basis of a partnership arrangement. So maybe the partner build a team of sales, of customer service, and they help us promote our products and service our customers. And for that, we pay them commission or bonus, and they make money. And that is generally how you structure a partnership arrangement. And in our case, we are a company that encourages other companies to become our partners. And also, we are a partner of other companies, and we provide services to help them promote their products and services. And in turn, they give us commission. We actually do both. We build our own partnership programs and get other companies to join us, and also we are members of other companies' partnership programs. So we know a few things about partnerships, and today I'm going to share with you some of the do's and don'ts. What should you do to help your partners, and what you should not do to piss off your partners, because ultimately happy partners give you money. The very first thing is that it has to be a win-win situation for both the company providing the partnership and also for the company joining the partnership program. Both companies have to benefit from this. Both companies have to make money. So as a company that provides the partnership program, we're going to benefit from this because our partners are going to find more customers, service more customers, and help us make more money. At the same time, the companies that join us, they are going to generate commission, they're going to make money, so that it helps with their organization, their company. Has to be a win-win situation. This relationship cannot last for a very long time if it's one-sided. For example, one company is getting all the benefit, the other company is losing money, maybe a lot of money. In that case, this partnership will not last. I've seen a lot of partnership that cannot last multi-years because simply the company that's joining the partnership cannot foresee or cannot realize the profit potential of that partnership. So very carefully, you have to design the commission structure. You have to design how to reward the companies that join the partnership program. You have to be able to reward them, and also at the same time your company benefit, and that's how you have a win-win situation. And that will be a very good start of a partnership program. And number two, the company that's joining the partnership program, they're gonna help us. They're gonna help us find customers, service customers. They're gonna make our lives easier, and we're gonna pay them commission for that. It is very important for the company that's joining the partnership to have dedicated teams to do the things that you need them to do. Because if they don't have that, then they will never focus on what you want them to do. So for example, if I partner with another company, I want that company to sell for us, they must have dedicated sales teams, right? If they don't have dedicated sales teams, they are too busy selling something else. They will never sell our product, and therefore that partnership will become effectively meaningless. So very important to have that dedicated team in the company that's partnering with us, but at the same time, we have to protect them. As the company that's providing the partnership, I need to protect their interests. For example, if they hire people, they hire 10 salespeople, they hire 10 customer service people, we need to make sure that we protect that, and their people cannot go off and work for one of my other partners. So we don't want the situation where one partner poach people from another partner, because that would be terrible. I hire the people, I train people, I build the team, and then another company come and take away my people, for example. And that we will not allow to happen to any of our partners. We will not allow one partner poach people from another partner, for example. And as the company that's providing that partnership program, we would never allow that. We will have very strict rules and very strict punishment if they do that. And that's very crucial to a very successful partnership program, because you are not going to only have one partner, you are going to have multiple partners. And you have to make sure the rules are clear and the rules are fair. And number 3, and this one I think is very important, and that is don't fuck your partners, all right? Don't fuck them in the ass, is what I'm saying. So what I mean by that is do not compete with your partner. So maybe, let's say I sell this product and I give the partnership to a company, and maybe they sell that product exclusively in a region in Vietnam, let's say Bac Ninh, okay? Or maybe Vũng Tàu. And so what is terrible, what a company that's providing the partnership program should not do is give them the territory and then compete with them in the same territory, because that is horrible. Because you're gonna make your partner feel like shit. They hire the salespeople, they build the team, they do everything for you. Maybe they go to exhibitions, maybe they go to trade shows, invest a lot of money, and then you go into the same territory and you compete with them. Your partner's gonna say, fuck you, all right? This is unethical and this is wrong. So when you have a partnership program, you do not compete with your partners, right? Let them run the territory. And sometimes you set KPIs for them. KPIs are important, but we also have to recognize it takes time to build a business. 2 months is not enough. 1 month is not enough. You cannot say to the partner, you got 1 month, you got 2 months, you got 1 quarter. If you can't do it, you're out, right? Because it takes time to build business. I believe in working together with the partner and grow for the long term. Provide them education, provide them with coaching, teach them the product, teach them how to sell it, teach them how to service the product. Be there so that they are successful. A lot of partnering companies, they only care about KPI. This is the KPI, this is the baseline, this is the jump line, this is what you have to reach. If you can't reach it, well, we will reconsider your partnership, okay? And what they're doing is that they're looking at the short term. They only care about this quarter or maybe the next quarter, but we're not looking at the long term. It takes time, right, to build good partnership. It takes time to build productivity. It takes time to build good teams. It doesn't happen in 1 month, 2 months, or even 1 quarter. The partnership companies that care so much about KPI and not care about coaching and growth with the partner, they inevitably will piss off the partnering company. They'll say, fuck you, this is bullshit, and they will leave. And do not compete them in the same territory. Let me tell you a story. The worst thing that you can do to a partner is that you give the partner a territory. They spend 1 month, 2 months to find the office, to build the team, to put everything together. And then you say, well, you did not hit KPI, I'm gonna take it away, okay? You're no longer the partner that manages this exclusive market. And 1 month later, they jump in and say, we are gonna do it, okay? You cannot sell in this territory. That is the most idiotic and stupid and unethical thing you can do to a partner. And my company would never, ever do that to our partners. And if any company do that to you, fuck them, all right? Fuck them in the ass. So if you have a partner that operates like that, this is what I recommend. Build your own product, compete with them, partner with their competitors, all right? Because maybe their competitor is more ethical, maybe they'll be better partners, maybe they will be there to coach you, to grow with you, but not this one who give you KPI and give you 1 month, 2 month time. If you don't hit it, then fuck you. Then that is not a good partnership. My companies, when we partner with other companies, we are looking at the long term. Of course, we expect them to accomplish things. Of course, there's going to be KPI, but we also understand that there is going to be up and down in the market. It's going to be up and down in the sales numbers, right? It's going to happen. But what we're really looking at is the long term, right? 6 months, 1 year. That's what we're looking at. And frankly, when we partner with other companies, if you look at the last 4 years, We grew a lot. That's what I care about, not the current quarter, not the current week, because there are going to be ups and downs, all right? So what I'm saying is that number 3, look at the long term and be there for your partner. Don't give them the territory, take them back, and then don't tell them not to sell it in that territory, because that's fucking stupid, okay? When you meet a partner like that, just fuck them in the ass, and I plan to. So these are some of the things that I think are fairly basic to partnership. It's like partnership 101. If you're going to build a partnership program, if you're going to join somebody else's partnership program, these are things to consider. So take some fucking action and evaluate your partnerships, and don't be a fucktard.